Hello guys, how are you all? I hopefully believe that you all are quite fine. And once again, I warmly welcome all of you in this video. Over here, we will read about your fourth chapter from your textbook Flamingo. Students, here we will discuss about the authors of this chapter and summary of the story, The Rat Trap. As rat trap, is known as mousetrap also. In Hindi, it is known as chuhe dani, in which we catch rats, mouse. So this chapter has been written by Selma Otilia Lovisa Lagerlöf, and popularly she is known as Selma Lagerlöf. She was a Swedish authoress and a teacher. She was born on 20 November 1858, and actually she was died on 16 March 1940. Selma was the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in the year of 1909. She became first lady to win Nobel Prize in Literature, and she was also awarded to a granted membership in the Swedish Academy in 1914. She was awarded and granted as a membership in the Swedish Academy, Literary Academy. So over here we will read about a brief summary of this chapter, The Rat Trap. The story begins with a rat trap paddler who is in a rugged condition, and he is dressed in rags and is very frail, and that rat trap paddler was also looking starved. He leads a lonely life with no one to care about him. ये कहानी एक रैट ट्रैप पैडलर की है जो बिल्कुल चूहेदानी अपने साथ लेकर के उनको बेचने के लिए पैदल चलता है फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू another. He has to move, he has to loiter from one place to another to sell his rat trap, and he was doing so because he was living alone. There were no one in his life, and he was working for his own livelihood. He leads a lonely life with no one to care about him. One day, with no, it struck to him that whole world is a rat trap, and rat trap itself, if we touch it, it will trap us and never let us go. एक दिन उसके दिमाग में बात आ गई कि the whole world is like a rat trap, like a mouse trap, and once if we will come across these rat traps, we cannot escape, we cannot be far from such a rat trap. ये दुनिया एक रेड ट्रैप है, इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे रेड ट्रैप हैं, और एक बार जब हम इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते हैं then we will have to involve forever, again and again हम फंसते जाते हैं इस जंजाल में, इस दुनिया के जाल में. That's why in this story, then on one old evening he means the rat trap paddler, he reaches at cottage to ask for shelter. एक दिन ऐसे ही घूमते घूमते रेड ट्रैप को बेचते हुए वो एक कॉटेज पे पहुंचता है and there he ask for shelter. वह एक शरण मांगता है कि मुझे ठहरने का स्थान मिल जाता, क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी लंबे समय से ऐसे पैदल चल रहा हूँ, बेच रहा हूँ, अभी कहीं मेरे पास कोई ठिकाना नहीं है, कोई परमानेंट प्लेस नहीं है टू स्टे टू टेक शेल्टर. वो एक ओल्ड व्यक्ति से कहता है एन ओल्ड क्राफ्टर lived in that cottage and he was also living alone. He was also victim of loneliness. वो भी अकेलापन का शिकार था. Then that old crafter decided himself to keep that rat trap peddler in his house, and he himself, that old crafter himself, needed company, so he welcomed the peddler, rat trap peddler, and here from the house of crafter peddler steals 30 kroner. वो ओल्ड क्राफ्टर इसको अपने घर पे रखता है, बट रहते रहते उसको एक दिन जो है रेड ट्रैप पेडलर उस ओल्ड क्राफ्टर के घर से 30 क्रोनर स्वीडिश मनी जो है का एक पाउच, एक बैग चुरा लेता है, इन विच देयर वेयर 3 notes of each 10 kroner Swedish money. After stealing it, he talks the woods to remain unsuspectable. Stealing that 30 kroner, he decided, rat trap peddler decided to follow, to go with jungle, to go with forest, just to escape and hide and to misguide the people. वो ये निश्चय किया कि मैं जंगल के रास्ते से होके जाऊंगा ताकि मेरे ऊपर कोई संदेह न करे, मुझे कोई पकड़ न सके. And in the jungle when he arrived, the peddler meets an iron master. जंगल में जाता है, then उस रेड ट्रैपर को जो है रास्ता भूल जाता है. He was missing there in that jungle and he was unable to come out of that jungle. There were no exact path to come out. He did not know. वो उसमें खो गया जंगल में. But fortunately he met iron master. He meets iron master से मिलता है, who mistake him to be his old comrade. जो आयरन मास्टर वहाँ था, जो लोहे का वहाँ उसका कारोबार था, he thought that rat trap peddler is his old comrade, old friend from army. ऐसा वो सोचता है, but he was misguided. वो उसकी गलती थी. Iron master first of all told him, ordered him to live with him for that night to celebrate Christmas, but rat trap peddler was not ready. Their daughter of iron master Edla visits him and insists that rat trap peddler to stay with them. They help the peddler get makeover and there dress him in nice clothes and shave his beard off. एडला के इंसिस्ट करने पे रेड ट्रैपलर जो रेड ट्रैप पैडलर है वहाँ रह जाता है. रेड ट्रैप पैडलर के रुकने के बाद एडला एंड हिज फादर आयरन जो मास्टर था उसको अच्छे कपड़े पहनाते हैं, उसकी दाढ़ी वगैरह जो बड़ी होती है उसको शेविंग किया जाता है उसका. एंड देन ही वाज लुकिंग फ्रेश क्लियर. तब जाकर आयरन मास्टर पहचान जाता है कि ये उसका फ्रेंड नहीं, ये तो उसके साथ धोखा हो गया है, ये तो कोई और है. एंड बट आफ्टर दिस, जब उसकी सेविंग हो जाती है, द आयरन मास्टर रियलाइज that he had made a mistake and the peddler was not his comrade, उसका friend नहीं है. Thus the iron master thinks that he is a fraud and they both decides, iron master decide to run him in out of house. However, Idla still insists on letting him stay and celebrates Christmas with her father, and then his father Iron Master agrees that okay he can celebrate Christmas. पहले तो उसके एडला के पिता जब उसको पता चलता है कि एक फ्रॉड है, धोखेबाज भी है और उनसे पहचानने में गलती हुई, then he wanted to take out that person red tape peddler out of his house, but Edla again insists him to keep that person inside the house to celebrate Christmas. इसके बाद जब वो चर्च के लिए जाते हैं एडला और उसके फादर, वहाँ पे उनको पता चलता है कि ये जो रेड टेप पेडलर है इसी ने ओल्ड क्राफ्टर के घर से 30 क्रोनोर की जो मनी है वो चुराया है। काफ़ी चर्च में इसकी चर्चा थी कि पैसा चुराया गया है 30 क्रोनोर। तब उनको पता चलता है कि द पर्सन हु इज लिविंग विद अस that person has stolen money from the house of old crafter। फिर वो वापस आते हैं। they were thinking कि ऐसा न हो कि वो जो रेड ट्रैप पैडलर है वो हमारे घर से भी कुछ चांदी के बर्तन सामान और पैसे चुरा लिया हो। when they come back at their house, Red Tape Peddler did not steal anything from their house, but he has left there one paper, one note to read Adela, and he wrote there about his own लाइफ। वो रेड टेप पेडलर एडला के पास एक नोट जो है छोड़ जाता है, उसमें वो लिखता है कि किस प्रकार बिकॉज ऑफ द लव एंड कंपैशन ऑफ एडला ही इम्प्रूव्ड हिज रिफॉर्म्ड हिज लाइफ। रेड टेप पेडलर रियलाइज्ड हिज गिल्ट एंड he wants to change his life, wants to transform, modulate his life, and ये बातें लिख करके एक नोट्स में वो चला गया। एंड ही आल्सो रोट देयर टू रिटर्न दैट 30 क्रोनोस फॉर दैट ओल्ड क्राफ्टर फ्रॉम हुज हाउस दैट मनी हैज बीन स्टोलन बाय हिम। सो इस तरह इस कहानी की एक हैप्पी एंडिंग होती है। एंड हाउ लव एंड कंपैशन कैन चेंज, कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म लाइफ ऑफ अ पीपल दैट हैज बीन शोन इन दिस स्टोरी। वी विल नो सम अदर फैक्ट्स अबाउट दिस स्टोरी in next video. Till then, see you again. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.